The Starlink Mini Car Mount boasts an ultra-high magnetic force that ensures a secure hold of the antenna even during high-speed driving or challenging weather conditions. With its scratch-resistant rubber coating, this mount protects your vehicle's surface from scratches while enhancing grip, making it a reliable choice for maintaining your car's aesthetics. Installation is hassle-free with the Starlink Mini Car Mount, as it requires no drilling or special tools, which is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts seeking stable signals without altering their vehicles. The improved design of the mount's screws, featuring locking nuts, eliminates the risk of signal interruptions caused by screw loosening from vibrations or extended use. The Starlink Mini Car Mount package includes a magnetic mount and installation instructions, ensuring you have everything needed for a quick and effective setup. It is important to verify that your vehicle's roof is magnetic before purchase, as this mount is not compatible with non-magnetic surfaces such as aluminum or certain types of steel.